अस्माकं मधु कल्याणपुरमहोदयः तु सिनेमा गायकः तदर्थमेव बहु सम्यक् गायति। अस्तु भवतां सर्वेषां हार्दं स्वागतं। भवतां मनसि सन्तोषः जायते वा? उत्सुकाः सन्ति वा? आम् इति वदन्तु। आम्। इदानीम् आं श्रीविद्या भगिनी प्रार्थनागीतं श्रावयति। स्वागतं भगिनी।
अहमद्य सदाशिवब्रह्मेन्द्रस्य एकं गीतं गायामि। क्षम्यतु मम कण्ठं सम्यक् नास्ति। Please bear.
Let the people one move.
सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं किं वचनीयं किमवचनीयं किं वचनीयं किमवचनीयं किं रचनीयं किमरचनीयं किं रचनीयं किमरचनीयं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं किं पठनीयं किमपठनीयं किं पठनीयं किमपठनीयं किं भजनीयं किमभजनीयं किं भजनीयं किमभजनीयं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयम् किं बोद्धव्यं किमबोद्धव्यं किं बोद्धव्यं किमबोद्धव्यं किं भोक्तव्यं किमभोक्तव्यं किं भोक्तव्यं किमभोक्तव्यं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयम् सर्वत्र सदा हंसध्यानं सर्वत्र सदा हंसध्यानं सर्वत्र सदा हंसध्यानं कर्तव्यं भो मुक्तिनिदानं कर्तव्यं भो मुक्तिनिदानं सर्वत्र सदा हंसध्यानं कर्तव्यं सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं रे रे सर्वं ब्रह्ममयं
धन्यवादः भगिनी। भवत्याः संस्कृतगानं श्रुत्वा यथा मातुः आलिङ्गनम् इव अनुभवः जातः मनसि। अस्तु, इदानीम् एका अन्या सूचना अस्ति। भवद्भिः प्रतिस्पन्दपत्राणि प्राप्तानि वा? तत् फिलप् कृत्वा पूरयित्वा तत्र उत्पीठिकायाः उपरि पेटिका अस्ति, पेटिकायां कृपया स्थापयन्तु। अस्तु अस्तु, स्थापितवती वा? उत्तमं, बहु उत्तमं। अन्ये ये एतावत्पर्यन्तं न दत्तवन्तः तेषां कृते अस्तु। अस्तु, feedback forms. I hope all of you got it. So got all of the feedback forms, and I hope you all filled up the forms. Please, on this table there is when you see the box, please keep all your forms, the filled up forms there. Okay? Thank you so much. Priya Bhagini, इदानीं भवती अत्र आगच्छतु। अस्तु।
अहं वदामि, कृपया अनुवदन्तु। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं, वदामि संस्कृतं सदा, ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्। संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन्, संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्, आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
अस्माकं कार्यकर्ता श्री रघु महोदयः अत्र आगत्य इतिवृत्तं वदति।
नमः सर्वेभ्यः। एतदासीत् अस्माकं तृतीय यमुनोत्री शिबिरम्। अस्मिन् वर्षे 90+ भागम् ऊढवन्तः, 90+। अस्य शिबिरस्य साफल्यार्थं मुख्यांशः वर्तते भवतां भागवहनम्। You see, when I look at all this, Simhavalokanam iti vadanti. After all this is done, we look back and we see, this tremendous success for us. And this is the third time we are having this camp. And it gives me great pleasure to see, such enthusiastic participation. And the main ingredient for making this such a big success is you all. And I want to thank you very, very much for this. We want to keep bringing this Shibiram year after year. And we are planning already for Yamunotri 2014. Okay? And at this point, I want to take just 30 seconds to thank our sponsors. Right? So Arsha Vidya Bharati, they are our platinum sponsor, an organization which is across the country, all over India, but this one is mainly from Houston. Sri Chandra Raghu Mahodaya has generously contributed $500. And then the second, sponsor we got, Sri Dr. Venkatraju Mahodaya, a brilliant poet. You heard his song yesterday. He's a great sponsor of a supporter of Sanskrit. So he's our gold patron. And then we have Ambika Foods, who are also a silver sponsor. So all of you in Austin, when you go visit Ambika Foods, please thank them for sponsoring this event. And we want to kind of get their feedback year after year, get their sponsorship year after year. Okay. And yesterday, we had 3 more people kind of stand up and offer to become sponsors. And I want to thank them again. Shri Sudesh Pillutla and Sangeeta Venalakanti. So they are now gold sponsors for Immunotri. Thank you very much. We also have Ramakrishna Kondapalli Mahodaya. Thank you very, very much. Our silver sponsor, $100. And Hetal and Devraj Nayak. Thank you both of you for your generous contribution. And we are still short of funds. If any of you can come forward to become sponsors, be very, very happy. Lakshmi Bhagini, Dhanyavada, silver sponsor. Thank you very much. So I'll be here. Any of you after the camp, if you want to contact us, please me, Srini Mahodaya, Vasu Mahodaya, Sudhi Mahodaya, or Sharma Mahodaya at the bookstore. Any of us. Thank you very much.
सर्वे अपि शिबिरम् आगतवन्तः संस्कृतमपि अधीतवन्तः सो मनसि सन्तोषः उत्पन्नः अनुभवः कथम् अस्ति इति अन्यान् अपि वदन्तु अनुभवकथनम् अस्ति इदानीं अत्र आर्यभटवर्गस्य छात्रौ रवि महोदयः 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। अहम् आर्यभट्ट गणस्य प्रतिनिधिरूपेण वदामि। सर्वे बहु कालतः संस्कृतभाषा महत्वं न ज्ञातवन्तः, किन्तु एतत् शिबिरे सरलता ज्ञात्वा सुलभमे संभाषणम् अपि कर्तुं शक्नुमः। We all learned speaking in Sanskritam, at least in this last 2 days, very, if not fluently, but we are making attempts. Itah purvam vayam sarve na miletah. We didn't meet before. We came from all other places. Sarve na miletah. Kintu Yamunotri Shibiresye sahayana adhya miletavantah. We all met and we had good friends. Okay. Samskrita bhasha mama matrabhasha samipena karane it became so easy. Naiva klishta na cha katina. Why a survey? Our confidence levels have grown up in Sanskritam now after this highly energetic camp, you know. And I got a feedback that it's the Sanskritam is so logical, and even an IT programmer can start programming it. Okay, and
language for artificial intelligence.
yes. So now coming to the organizers and especially our gurus, Padma Kumar Mahadaya and Govind Mahadaya, they were full of, like highly, attitude is so good that they're teaching in very humorous and funny way. We were thinking we were not even learning, we were just playing with them and we learned so much. And we got a feedback that if we get teachers like this, I'll start learning again from school, you know, like. And coming to the organizers, I think we got a very good feedback about the Vyavastha. One small thing, please don't mind, for the breakfast they wanted idli and they are ready to contribute financially as well as people also coming in the next Yamunotri. Okay, and then we want to continue this, so our request is to maintain at least a email group or Facebook account so that people can exchange their emails and be in contact. And one lastly, we also want to thank, all the organizers, but in addition to the organizers, the wives of the organizers also. So I think that's someone, spouses, not wives, spouses. Okay. Okay. Thank you for nominating me, Aribhatta team. So I hope I have. Thank you. धन्यवादः.
जालपुटमध्ये अस्माकं मुखपृष्ठः अस्ति, संस्कृतभारत्याः मुखपृष्ठः, फेस् पेज्, फेस्बुक् मध्ये फेस् पेज् इदानीं पतञ्जलिवर्गस्य छात्रा एका अस्ति, सा आगच्छति, स्वस्याः अनुभवकथनं वदति। तस्य वर्गस्य छात्राः तु बहु चतुराः आसन्।